Sometimes it's the smallest moments that mean the most. But if you need oxygen therapy to help you breathe, you might worry that those moments are slipping away. But now you can get the oxygen you need without missing out on the life you love. Introducing the SimplyGo Mini. It's from the respiratory experts at Phillips, the #1 respiratory brand of choice by pulmonary physicians. The SimplyGo Mini is our smallest, most advanced portable oxygen concentrator ever. It lets you take your oxygen with you simply anywhere.
I live a very full life now, and I couldn't do it without the lifeline of the SimplyGo Mini, because you can only carry around so many oxygen tanks. I could visit with my grandchildren, and this was all I needed. I'm a part of their life, and they know it.
The SimplyGo Mini is worry-free. It concentrates oxygen from the air around you, so you can't run out. It recharges anywhere, and with the extended battery, you can enjoy up to 9 hours of on-the-go freedom. Most important, it's from Phillips. We've been helping people like you breathe better and live better for over 35 years. Now you can be there for every one of life's best moments with the SimplyGo Mini. And there has never been a better time to call than right now. You can get an all-inclusive package with everything you'll need, plus a 60-day trial of our Lifeline Medical Alert services if you act now. Shipping is free, and it all comes with an ironclad warranty backed by trusted Phillips. Worried about the cost? Ask about our special financing options when you call. Phillips wants to help.
My SimplyGo Mini has literally changed my life. It is about family and friends, and when you're isolated from them, you haven't got anything left. And this has taken that isolation out of my life. And that's one of the most important things it could ever give me.
Breath is life. Why would you trust anyone but Phillips with something so important? Call now or visit our website.